morning and happy Monday, One Hot Biters. Melissa here. We are gonna make a quick breakfast sandwich. It is a sausage, gravy, egg, McMuffin, muffin, breakfast sandwich, whatever you wanna say, that's what we're gonna make. Again, we are keeping this healthy, but it's gonna have all that delicious goodness that we're used to in a gravy, sausage, egg, and no cheese biscuit. So that's where we're gonna save a lot of calories today, but you're not gonna miss the flavor at all because we're gonna have that awesome, delicious, rich gravy that's gonna go on this. But before we get any further, I wanna thank you so much for being here. It means so much that you guys come and play and cook with me every single time we do this. This is gonna be a delicious little sandwich. I'm also gonna teach you a little secret on how you can make this ahead and you can have it for a quick, easy breakfast as you're going back to school, going back to work, all those sort of things. Recipe that I'm gonna have for you down below is for 6 servings. So you can, like again, make it ahead and everything like that, but I'm gonna actually show you just one portion today. So we'll make the gravy for 6 and I'll show you how you can store that and freeze it and save it for later. We're gonna start with turkey sausage. That's one way we're gonna save some calories on this. This is Jenny O turkey sausage. So we're gonna go ahead and make this into patties, but let these cooking. Okay, while our sausage is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and get our multi-grain English muffins, and they're already split a little bit, but we're gonna split them the rest of the way through, and then we're gonna toast it really quick. Mix our ingredients for our gravy. So 1 3/4 cups milk. I'm using 1%. 5 teaspoons of flour. And we have thyme, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and cayenne pepper. Thoroughly mix. Okay, we're starting to get these brown bits forming over here. That's when we know this is good. These are done. We're going to transfer them onto paper towel and let them rest. So this is where the good flavor happens. That's what we're going to leave in the pan. That's going to allow us the opportunity to not have all the fat in here. Okay, here comes our milk mix. Stir and loosen up all those brown bits that were on there. We're going to cook here for about 3 minutes. You see how it's getting all bubbly, and we want it to get thick. So about 3 minutes here. Okay, this is about where I want it. I'm going to go ahead and pull it from the heat. Okay, now we're going to cook our eggs. So a little bit of oil. Okay, let's build this breakfast sandwich. Sausage. Our egg cooked just the way you like. You can choose. Yummy gravy. top. Okay, with our remaining gravy, if you're not going to use it right away, go ahead and put it in ice cube trays, freeze it, pull each ice cube out. It's going to be about a serving or two if you really like it sloppy and yummy. And go ahead and reheat them in the microwave, or you can reheat them on the stove. And you got your eggs and you toast your muffin and you're good to go. And there you have it, another hot morning bite that you can make on the go. So let's have a bite of this delicious one hot bite. This, I wish you guys could smell it. I mean, it's gorgeous. All right, let's see. So good. It tastes just like biscuits and gravy and scrambled eggs sitting in a Greasy Spoon cafe, except you did it for 324 calories, equal amounts of protein and carbs, which is good. And it's so good. Now that's a bite you could have every single morning on your way to work for a powerful, packed, accomplishing day. So you guys have a wonderful day. Make sure you tune in on Thursday. I'm gonna make a grilled antipasto platter that's gonna blow your mind. So I will see you guys on Thursday. Have a wonderful week.